Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this chunky mini basket. To make this basket, you will need 100 yards of super bulky yarn, and you'll need it divided into 2 balls. And this is great for using up your scraps of yarn like I'm doing here. And I'm using Lion Brand's Woolies Thick and Quick for this project. And then you'll need an 8mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and some scissors. So to start, remember to hold your yarn together. This will make the basket a lot more sturdy, and make a magic circle. And then chain 1, and for our first round we're going to work into that magic circle. So work 10 single crochets into the circle. Now that I'm at the end of this round, I'm going to pull on that tail just to close up that circle so we don't have a big gap in the bottom of our basket. And to finish off the circle, slip stitch into the first stitch of the round. For round 2, we're going to work 2 single crochets into every stitch, and for this round we're also going to carry the tail from the beginning of the project, just so then we don't have to weave it in later. So into your hook, and then make sure you're also working around that tail, and then work a normal single crochet and do 2 single crochets in every stitch. Now that I am at the end of round 2, I'm going to again join this round, so slip stitch into that first single crochet. And then you should have a little bit of the tail left, so I'm just going to snip that off so then it's not in our way. So to start round 3, chain 1, and for this round we're going to work 1 single crochet into the first stitch. And then in the next stitch, work 2 single crochets into that same stitch. Repeat working 1 single crochet in the stitch, and then 2 single crochets in the next stitch to the end of the round. So now that we're at the end of the row, slip stitch into that first stitch, and then now we are done with the base. So now we need to start working on the sides of the basket. So chain 1, and we're going to single crochet into the back loop only of this stitch. And work 1 single crochet into the back loop only of every stitch for this round. So now we are at the end of round 4 and slip stitch again into that first stitch. And then chain 1. Now we're going to single crochet in through both loops. So work 1 single crochet through both loops for the next 4 rounds. So now you should have a total of 5 rounds on the sides of the basket. So now we need to start on the handle. So chain 5. You're going to skip 4 stitches. And then in that 5th stitch, work 1 single crochet. And then it creates a nice little handle. So now work 1 single crochet into the next 10 stitches, so you should have a total of 11 single crochets on either side of the handles. So again, after you have a total of 11 single crochets, do the other handle. So chain 5, skip 4 stitches, and then in that 5th stitch, work 1 single crochet. And then 1 single crochet in the next 10 stitches. Now at the end of this round, instead of slip stitching to join, we're just going to work directly into that chain space. So insert your hook into that chain space and then work a single crochet. And then continue repeating this till you have a total of 6 single crochets in the handle. Now work 1 single crochet into the next 11 stitches. Now work 11 single crochets and then work 6 single crochets into the other handle. Once you are all the way around to the first handle again, slip stitch into that first stitch to join the round. And then you can cut your yarn and weave in your end. And there you go. That is how you crochet a mini basket. This is great for keeping your house organized, for home decor, and for gifts. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more free crochet videos.